Hey, what is up guys, my name is Shahrir, welcome to Tech Enthusiast, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways of how you can slow motion or fast forward your video. So let's get started. So I have a clip right over here. So as you can see, it's a simple clip. So the first way I'm going to show you is click on the R key or select rate stretch tool, and if you stretch it, you will see that this thing plays in slow motion, and if you decrease it, it will be played much faster. So that was the first one. The second one I'm going to teach you is right click, go to speed duration and change its speed to like 200. Okay, let's do that 200, so it will be exactly 2 times faster. And the same way, decrease the speed to like 50%, it will be 2 times slower. So the third way I'm going to teach you to do that is the best one, and not the easiest one, but I'm going to teach you how to use it completely. So you're going to right click on this effects box of the clip, go to time remapping and click on speed. After that, let me increase the size so you can see more clearly. You'll get a white line over here. If you increase the white line, it will be faster. If you decrease the white line, it will be slower. And let me keep that at 100%. If you click on the control button or the command button in macOS, you will see a plus sign just beside the mouse. If you click on it, a keyframe will come. I can add 2 keyframes and just so here, from here it will be normal, from here it will fast forward, and again it will go to slow. Let me slow motion this clip so you can see more clearly. See that it became slow, and here it is fast again. But if you want to do that in an animation, you have to separate these keyframes into 2 parts. Let me do the same for this one, and you can also turn this around a bit so it becomes smoother, so it will become something like this. Let me just fast forward the whole clip using the first method. So thank you guys, that was the 3 steps of how to decrease or increase the speed of your video clip using Premiere Pro. Please subscribe to our channel to make it grow faster, like this video, and comment down below if you are having any problems. My name is Shahrir from Tech Enthusiast, and I'm signing out.